Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and if you're learning how to write your own crochet patterns, here's a couple quick formulas you can use to calculate your increases and decreases for each round. So the formula I use is I take the number of stitches in my current round and then I divide that by the number of increases I want to make minus 1. So here in my current round I have 18 stitches and I want to increase by 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3, then minus 1 is 2, so now I know I have to make 2 stitches before I do an increase for my next round. And then written out, this would read as single crochet 2, then increase 1, repeat this set 6 times for a total of 24 stitches at the end. So when I want to know how many stitches I need to make before doing a decrease in my next round, all I do is take the number of stitches in my current round and divide that by the number of decreases that I want to make minus 2. So here in my current round I have 24 stitches. So then I'm going to take 24 and I want to make 4 decreases, so 24 divided by 4 is 6, and then 6 minus 2 is 4, so now I know I need to make 4 stitches before doing a decrease in my next round. Then when writing this out as a pattern, I'm going to write it as single crochet 4, then decrease 1, repeat the set 4 times, and I'll have a total of 22 stitches at the end. And that's it. I hope you guys found this helpful as you work on your own crochet patterns, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.